Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. We have an update regarding the Yellow Man, Beanie Man, who is the king of the dance hall, or king of liars, or whatever, is being said. One legendary certified dance hall veteran, the Killing Sound, the Don Gargan, Ninja Man sounded off on it. And, he had to say something regarding who is king or who is not king. Remember two things. Ninja Man always say Yellow Man greater than him. Brigadier Jerry, Charlie Chaplin, Josie Wells, Early B, all those who came before him. And remember that Beanie Man, people don't know this, and Ninja Man has said it in an interview that Beanie Man is his apprentice. So this man should really have something very insightful to say. Know what you have to do? Like, subscribe, share, show that you care, leave a comment. Remember, this is Talking News. Without further ado, Ninja Man, take it away.
King of Dancehall. When King of Dancehall, Yellow Man was giving King of Dancehall. Nobody knew that they talk about King of Dancehall. Nobody. And Madison Square Garden got Yellow Man go and lock down the world straight. Lock down the world. 3 show 1 day. Me do 3 show 1 place. 3 nights straight. Yellow Man do 3 show 1 day in a Madison Square Garden. Lock down the country. You understand me? At the country, the Yellow Man king of dancehall. And this a blood clot Ninja Man, the maddest DJ in a dancehall. I tell you, say, the country and the international world give Yellow Man king of dancehall. The crown king of dancehall was found between New York and Jamaica. Because when he go up there, they mash up the place and he change the king when he come back here. When he come here and people start talking winner and something, him crown king. Both Jamaica and foreign, Yellow Man is the king of dancehall. And internationally in the world, Yellow Man is the only king of dancehall. And then can take this blood clot by his mouth and still create whether they want to believe it or not. Because this is the original sun key, gold key, gun fan key, Dan Gargan. A one man, a king of dancehall boy. King Yellow Man. King Yellow Man remove racial discrimination against Dundus or albino, I want to call it, and make them get recognition in the world that man they with Dundus now call them drowning. Before Yellow Man exists, Dundus used to have to stay on a back. No man no want to Dundus, younger man no want to sit down of Dundus in a school. Yellow Man remove all that stigma off of albino people and make them get recognition. You hear? Yellow Man bring dancehall music to the international world. Bring it to a party in a club or in a pub. Bring it to international radio. A Yellow Man can lock down dancehall music from foreign radio big time. We used to play upon a little corporate station, them and from radio and play in a little club, them and I club them. After Madison Square Garden, Yellow Man bring reggae music go. Where white people come out and black people and everybody. Yellow Man is the only artist right now where when him go foreign, him have more white fans more than black people. Me and Yellow Man go to Los Angeles 2007, go to show. And them time they are the first time I go back in America for 15 years. Yellow Man was the man where everybody, when me I go up, they think me big and think that Beanie Man big that time. Beanie Man have Grammy Island, him big from BET, MTV, everything. Him now the leading time of the new king. When we go up there and go up on the show ground, we did the whole day with the friend, because we friend named Ginger 50 show. Ginger gone to jail and his family them and his friend them are doing. So we did it with them because we don't want to show away to our friend gone to jail. Boom, when we did the funny show going from 4 o'clock in the evening, when it touched 5, 6 o'clock, I see a Yellow Man people are come to see. When we did I walk up on them and people that I Ninja Man, when the real time when people start come, and millions of white, black, Syrian, Indian, Chinese, every blood clot come. I Yellow Man appear introduce me and Beanie Man to the crowd. When the people come, hi Yellow Man, and they greet him and say, a Ninja Man is the baddest competitive DJ in a dance hall. And a Beanie Man is the new brother with them at the king. Beenie Man is no king. Beenie Man is the king of bumbuckler clowning, and you can tell him that. Beenie Man not do nothing more than with fear fuckery. He's a high youth, he's a good youth, he's a nice youth, we know better than very. But the king of dancehall belongs to Yellow Man. Here.
So there you have it, listeners. The Dons of Dons, the Don Gargan has spoken regarding who is king and who is pretender to the throne. You heard what the man said when they went out to California. Yellow Man had to make people know who is them. And remember, King of Dancehall is a New York / Jamaica thing. It's a conglomerate in one. That's what he said. So, well, the dancehall legend must know what he's talking about. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment to show that you care. And if there's any way we can improve on this, let us know, listeners, because it's all about you, all right? I am Daddy Reds. I'm the reggae ambassador, and I always cause a musical massacre. More love, more life, more music. Dread out for now.